So I've got my hitchhiker thumb position with my right hand, and I stick my thumb in the direction of the current. And when I do that, I visualize my fingers wrapping around that wire, and they're gonna come over top the wire and into the page on this side. These are my 4 fingers I'm drawing here. And then they're gonna go into the page, wrap underneath the wire, and come back out the other side. So that's how I would draw the magnetic field for this situation. I'll label that B. And for the other one, it's a bit trickier because the wire's not straight, the wires are curved. So I'll have my hitchhiker's thumb, and I'll just pick one spot. For now, I'll pick this spot right here. And I'll stick my thumb in that direction. And what I do is I kind of rotate the page or my iPad in a circle, kind of following the current. So my thumb is always pointing clockwise. And as I rotate things, I notice that my fingers, if I visualize my fingers wrapping around this donut, I'll call this a donut, my middle finger in particular will always end up sticking itself inside, into the page in the middle of the donut. So the magnetic field inside the donut is all going to be into the page, and then my fingers would wrap around underneath the wire and back out on the outside of this donut. And this is basically a solenoid with just one loop in it. Solenoids generally have hundreds of loops, but this is a single loop solenoid. And a lot of that magnetic field gets concentrated into the middle of the loop. The ones on the outside of the loop are pretty spread out. It's pretty weak there.